Hey. I invited the new neighbors over and it turns out Emily's in your grade.
What's the point of meeting her? Doesn't matter anyways.
Hey, I'm Emily.
Hey. Why are you here?
I just moved here and I don't know anyone.
If you want a friend, find someone else. They'll be more fun. Why don't you find one at school or something?
School hasn't started yet. Why don't you know that?
I dropped out
Why?
because I only have 2 months left, so what's the point?
2 months left till...
I'm dead.
Whoa.
I'm sick and it's untreatable.
But still, you shouldn't shut yourself away.
No one's gonna miss me anyways.
Okay. I'll just have to come here every day until you recognize me as a friend.
Whatever.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
I wish I was never born.
Hey, what are you writing?
A book, so that people will have something to remember me by, and maybe it can help someone in a similar situation.
What's it about?
It's about a pink wolf and a bird. The pink wolf is born in the forest and can't hunt for food because of his color, so he's always hungry and is treated like a curse. He wishes he was never born. Then he meets a bird who can't fly that well, so they can't talk to other birds, and they start working together to get food, and they try hunting together, but the wolf gets injured and is slowly dying. That's all I got so far. I'm still trying to figure out the ending.
I love it. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
Don't get your hopes up.
Come on.
I've only got 1 month left, and I need it to be perfect. Could you help me?
Of course. In the end, it couldn't stop the bleeding, and the pink wolf died. The only one that cared was the bird, and the other animals forgot about him. not the bird. The wolf's body was left there untouched till a tree started to grow out of him. The bird saw this and decided to water it every day. After 1 year, the tree had grown over 100 meters tall with the most amazing fruits, so nobody would ever have to hunt again. Only the bird knew this tree had grown out of the pink wolf. Then one day the bird was tending the tree and found words carved into its trunk. It said, "I'm happy I was born.